In this video, we're going to talk about some daily routines that you can do as an entrepreneur that will guarantee that you become super successful business owner no matter what kind of business you have, no matter where you're doing your business. If you follow these daily rituals, 5 daily rituals, almost guarantee that you will be a successful entrepreneur. My name is Sanjay.
I'm Sandeep.
And we are India's first business coaching duo. We help service-oriented businesses to grow their business while freeing their time and involvement, which means you can do what you love doing while your business keeps growing.
Alright, let's start with a small story. So, Sanjay, there is a guy named Suresh, your favorite name. Okay? And Suresh is a woodcutter, lakadhara. और he's working in a timber mill, लकड़ियाँ काटता है. काफ़ी सालों से काम कर रहा है, मेहनत कर रहा है. अब क्या होता है कि कुछ समय बाद his boss announces that I'm gonna give bonuses to the performers. And bonus सुरेश को नहीं मिलता है, रमेश को मिलता है. And Suresh gets very upset. यार बोनस मैं 5 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, मुझे बोनस नहीं मिला. Goes to his boss and he says, भाई मेरे तू 5 साल से लकड़ियाँ काट रहा है, तेरा कोई परफॉर्मेंस में तो इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ नहीं है, उसी क्वांटिटी में कर रहा है. सुरेश गेट्स वेरी अपसेट. ऐसा कैसे यार, मैं कर रहा हूँ, डबल मेहनत करता है, ट्रिपल मेहनत करता है, but the result is same and unfortunately he gets fired. Okay. Now Suresh is upset. He says, I need to find out what happened. He goes to Ramesh and says, boss तेरे को बोनस मिला, मेरे को नहीं मिला, हम दोनों एक ही टाइम पे काम करते हैं, तेरा परफॉर्मेंस बेटर कैसे है? He says, भाई मेरे मैं ना दिन शुरुआत करने से पहले 15 मिनट अपना एक्स शार्प करता हूँ, कंसिस्टेंटली, डिलीजेंटली, एवरी डे. एंड द फोकस ऑफ दिस वीडियो is consistently doing 5 rituals in the morning that are gonna make you, yes my dear friend, you, the businessman, very very successful. So Sanjay, what does this story tell you?
It tells me one thing for sure, that working hard is not enough. You need to actually do something like sharpening your axe, find an alignment so that you can actually do the right kind of work and not hard work.
Yes.
Right?
Smart work is the need of the hour.
Okay. But ये संदीप ये smart लोग बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, okay, smart work करो, but I don't understand what smart is. Do you have a formula for that?
I do. I think we've often heard about smart goals and all the jargons around it. But today we'll talk about smart rituals.
Wow.
So the first one, the S, stands for something which you haven't heard ever before. S stands for get some sun.
Oh, okay.
So as a businessman, the moment I wake up, I would want to get some vitamin D. Now, India is abundant in vitamin D. Unfortunately, 70% of India's population is vitamin D deficient.
Oh my God. How is that? Why is that?
Because of the modern lifestyle that we are in. I mean, रोज की भागम भागी मारामारी, we don't take out time to catch some sun.
Okay.
There are dual benefits with it now. You can actually go out for a small stroll in the morning, catch some sun, get some exercise, and एक ही काम में double फायदे हो जाते हैं.
Right.
So sun is very critical. It improves your memory, it improves your digestion, it improves your immunity. I mean, with immunity now in the bigger thing in today's times, it has a direct impact.
You know what, Sandeep, when I go for a stroll, okay, and I don't do it early in the morning, but I like your advice. But when I go for a stroll, it gives me a chance to be with myself, to gather my thoughts, to kind of center myself and say, okay, मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ? What is going to be my accomplishment for today? Okay, what is it that I want to attack the day with and do that? So is that what you're saying?
I am saying that. In fact, that brings me to my point number 2, which is the M part of the smart,
Okay.
which is after a small stroll or catching some sun, how about you take some time off, center yourself, and meditate on what you plan to do?
Okay, that's cool.
So Sanjay is a big fan of meditation. I know that you like to sit down and go through your thoughts. What happened? What did I accomplish the previous day? What am I planning for today?
Yes.
That's a big thought. Center yourself, take a few deep breaths, take out about 10 minutes. That's what you need to do, not more than that. And actually go through how you will plan or create your day.
Yeah, and most people don't know how to meditate, but on YouTube you go, there's just n number of guided meditations there. Pick one that works for you, and the more you do it, the better you become with time. So meditation really centers you. It kind of calms you down. It kind of, all the stress and the worry kind of leaves you for that 10 minutes, and you can really, the best ideas come just after you finish your meditation. Open your eyes and ideas start flowing in because your mind is at super drive at that point in time, right?
Because you let go of all your concerns. You're looking forward to creating a big brightful day for yourself, and you never know what can happen.
Absolutely.
It's worked for us. I'm telling you, it works. It will work for you as well.
Brilliant. Yes.
So Sanjay, let's look at the A part in the smart part. A stands for affirmations. Creating affirmations, writing them down, putting them on the wall, putting them in your journal, on your PC, on your as a wallpaper is a great way of telling the universe what you want. You can talk about your health, you can talk about money, relationships, whatever you want to. Just pen it down. I think that's a wonderful way of talking to yourself and to the universe.
Yeah, and you know what, Sandeep, affirmations, they have a scientific reason why they work, okay? And the scientific reason is this, okay? See, go to an experience in your life where you purchase something like a car, okay? And the moment you got that car, everywhere you turned around on the road, you saw the same car, somebody else driving it. Your attention was drawn to that. Why? Because your mind clearly knew that this is at the center of your attention right now. This is a new thing, and you're focused on it, and that's why everything connected with that, it just kind of brought that to your attention.
Absolutely.
Right? And that's exactly how affirmations work as well. When you write positive statements which are personal to you, and you focused on that, your mind says, okay, this is important, so anything connected with that, let me bring this person's attention to that, so that you can grab the opportunities. Okay, so for example, affirmations need to be positive statements like I am healthy. Okay, don't say I don't smoke anymore. That's a negative statement.
Yes.
I am nicotine free. That's a positive statement.
Yes.
Okay, and don't say I'm going to lose 10 kilos. Instead of say I am
free of the excess weight,
or I am 82 kilos, which is my ideal weight. Okay, I am my ideal weight, and that's an affirmation. So the more you affirm the positive, because your mind cannot think negative, cannot process negative. Okay, for example, if I say don't think of a pink elephant, the first thing that will come to your mind is a pink elephant, right? So don't doesn't get processed so well, right? Yeah. So write a positive statement and write it down. Practice it, keep it in front of you, and that's A for affirmations, right? What's
affirmations?
Okay, go ahead. You want to say something about affirmations?
Yes, affirmations about your business is also very powerful, because we are talking about you as a businessman or a businesswoman. What do you want to create in your business as affirmation? I am a super successful businesswoman. I own X amount of organizations. I have X amount of branches.
I enjoy the work I do. I make a difference to the world with my business and my services. I mean, there's just so much more.
I make a difference in the community.
Yeah, it's just so much. Yes.
Yeah, so that's affirmation, Sanjay. R is your favorite part. R stands for reading.
Oh my God! Yes. Reading is like absorbing so much that is out there. There's just so much knowledge out there. If you can just absorb it as a sponge, collect it, it comes out at the right moment. I mean, I read a book a week, but you don't have to read a book a week. You can read one book in a year, but make sure you really read it. Okay, and today there are many ways of reading.
Yes.
Okay, and I want to say you don't have to read. If you're an auditory person, you can actually listen to an audiobook. Okay, if you're someone who likes watching, you can watch a YouTube video almost summarizing the book. There are book summaries available, which are smaller versions of the same book. But read something. Even if you're reading news, which I don't like because news is very negative nowadays. But even if you're reading just good articles, read. Subscribe to a few newsletters of great people.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people who have newsletters and they send you daily articles and daily stuff. Read that, but enrich yourself by reading. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, I am. In fact, for somebody like me who at some point used to read but had given up many moons ago, I took on a challenge of reading 10 pages a day.
Yes.
This I did when the last lockdown started in India in about March. And Sanjay, you wouldn't believe I finished 11 books now. Wow. So it's just starting with a small step, 10 pages a day. and the value that you generate from those is I mean, I cannot describe it in words. It's just
absolutely.
that.
Fine.
All right.
So whatever time you take, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 pages, 5 pages, but make it a ritual of reading something every day. Okay.
You get present to so much of new stuff that
Hey,
is
how
out there.
about people reading Gita or Quran or their religious books? Even that is fine, but just read for a little while.
Yeah.
Right? Enrich yourself.
Enrich yourself. That's one. And the last one is T stands for transcribe. Now, if I Google the word transcribe, it literally says putting your thoughts on a paper form.
Yes. Oh my God, this is so important. I highly recommend as an entrepreneur that you think on paper. Okay, you take 15, 20, 30 minutes of your time and say, okay, here are my thoughts for today in my business on paper. You write on paper, you scribble on paper, you literally write down, how you want your day to go, and your day will go that way, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a big fan of journaling my thoughts, putting down what I want to create.
Yes.
Sanjay and me did an exercise many years ago about writing our goals for the next 10 years, 5 years. Remember that?
Yes. Oh, yes. yes.
And suddenly I found that book, Sanjay, when I was cleaning the closet, and I saw that most of my goals have been accomplished.
Yes.
I didn't believe it. I'm telling you, I was a skeptic while doing that, but it's magical is what I can say right now.
So, here is an imaginary push. Okay, we are pushing you to go ahead and start journaling, writing your thoughts on paper. Keep writing how you want your day to go, what you want to create in your business, how which is the direction your business should be going, what kind of people will come to your business, what kind of clients do you want to attract, what kind of team members do you want to attract, and you will see a lot of that comes to you. All of that because of reticular activation system, your mind starts attracting or putting your attention on thoughts which you say are important. And how you do it? By writing. You tell your subconscious mind, this is important because I'm writing it down, this is important because I'm committing to it.
किसी ने type किया तो चलता है क्या?
It's not that effective. I highly recommend you write, because when you write, you're physically involved in the process of committing to it, and that's the magic of it. So no typing, writing.
Yeah, so that's the quick video that we wanted to share with you guys. Remember, smart, catch some sun, meditate, write down some affirmations, read a lot, even if it's for like 5 minutes a day.
Yeah,
it's
start
enough.
with that. Start with
it's
that.
enough. And transcribe or journal your thoughts. That's what we wanted to say.
Brilliant.
If you've liked the video, do share and subscribe, spread the word, hit the bell notification.
And if you have some rituals,
And
then
if
please put it in the comment section. We would like to know what are your rituals that will give you power, give you a lot of centeredness, or centers you as an entrepreneur, gives you a motivation for the whole day. So go ahead, write in the comment section. We would like to know about your daily routines.
Yeah, so that's it from my side, guys. I'm Sandeep.
I'm Sanjay.
And we shall see you soon.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.